Hi, my name is Pierre-Luc, and in this video, I'll walk you through the graphical user interface of the EVO series in the HandySCAN 3D lineup. I will explain its purpose and functionality and highlight the value it brings to the field inspection. With its embedded graphical user interface, you have instant access to scanning parameters and a wide range of options right on the touchscreen display. Once everything is set, this HandySCAN 3D redefines the scanning experience. It aligns your line of sight with both the parts and the data acquisition process, making the workflow more intuitive and the scanning more efficient. With intelligent features like background detection, you can automatically remove unwanted elements in one click, such as the table beneath your part, streamlining every step of your workflow. Real-time visualization keeps you in control, especially during sheet metal inspections, by clearly showing what still needs to be scanned. A live indicator on inspection items confirms optimal scanning conditions, like point density and angle of acquisition, guiding you to complete accurate data with confidence in your measurements. Once the scan is complete, you can validate the data directly on the scanner, ensuring everything is clean and reliable. All essential options are available throughout the scanners, minimizing the needs to go back and forth between your laptop and the part, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time. With its graphical user interface, the EVO series is truly optimized for user experience and efficiency.